Hi friends, this is Venkat from Photography Club Kids Warangal, and today's our event is Student Canvas, and in that we have a topic called Olympics. So there are many students here to have a discussion about that. So let us know.
Hi, I am Aarti. Recently we have gone through the Olympics and we have won some medals also. The main reason why we are not getting most of the medals is like we came into engineering recently, then we can find like I was thrown into IIT school since I was in 8th class, and most of the time we are forced to study and games are not given much importance. So I guess if we give more importance to games, like not only games, other extracurricular activities, I guess it will be very useful to us. A part of studies.
Hi everyone, I'm Likita. Well, today is the closing ceremony of the Rio Olympics 2016. Well, from India, not many people have actually participated, and there are like only few medals won by our country. Like the main reason why our country is backward in so many things, including the Olympics, is like students and parents are more like into studies. Like my son should be an engineer, my son should be a doctor, my girl should be like an IAS or IPS officer, but nobody actually supports Olympics. So I was actually reading this article the other day. One Olympic participant from India, she told me that they are not taken care, like they're not given like correct hospitalities and like not provided everything to stay and practice. Like she said that the coaches and the managers who are going from India to Rio, they were traveling in the business class and they're just in the economy class, sitting like not comfortable at all. So people have to like encourage people more into like these kind of stuff. That's when India grows into a better country. Thank you.
Hi, this is Chetna from Kids Warangal. Today we have the topic Olympics. From our country, very few people are encouraged, and government is not providing proper facilities, and proper hospitality is not given to them. Most of us want only to settle in their life, so most of us choose. They go deeper into studies. They choose engineering. They choose MBBS, but no one is interested in sports, and we don't have sports particularly at schools and colleges. This is the main reason. From childhood, every parent should inculcate physical fitness in them so that they'll come forward. And government should also make it a necessity that sports should be compulsorily. Sports should be a part of every student's activity.
Good evening everyone, my name is Rahul. Good evening everyone, my name is Rahul, and today's topic in the photography club is why India is lagging in the Olympics, and I want to speak a few lines about that. The main reason for this is the students. Actually, this should be inculcated in the students, because the students are the reason to get the medals in the Olympics. But the students are motivated to get medals in the education rather than the sports, because when we are given periods for studies, they are actually stolen by other teachers for the studies. But PT sirs, they were not given chance. So if a PT sir is given a chance for his PT education, our India may be in #1 position to get the medals. And everyone are motivated to study, and even the parents they support the children only to study rather than sending them to sports. And there are many students in the India who are not given motivation to participate in sports. So that's the reason why India is lagging. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Manisha from CRC. Even I'm also a member of Photography and Media Club. As our friends told, in the same way, India didn't get many medals. Just it got only 2 medals. That one silver and bronze, right? It means parents are encouraging students to study in the same way. It's not the way. As a kids college, we give preference to different activities and cultural activities, sports and all like these different clubs we have. In the same way, if different schools and colleges have different clubs and different things, sports, if they encourage sports, then India would be not at the top position, at least it would have 2nd or 3rd position. Thank you.
These are really useful to everyone. The students must participate definitely, but students are not participating because parents are not encouraging them. The parents are mostly focusing on education and pressurizing them to study more and more. Hence the students are unable to participate. Their mindset is completely stressing on studies, and they are unable to participate in the games. So please, parents, encourage students to participate. Do not discourage them not to participate, like only on studies. Thank you.